Hello TECHshare friends. Today I'm going to review with you what we learned about during our Google Site training. I'm going to show you the 3 different things that we learned to insert in there and just how to quickly create your own site. So when I logged on to my Google Sites, and you can see that address right here, it's sites.google.com. These are the sites that I have already created. Every time you create a site, it will get added to this list here. If you want to create your new site, see the button right here that we went over, you're going to hit that orangey red button. You can choose a blank template, so you can create your own from the ground up, or you can browse from the gallery of templates that have already been created. You're going to name your site. Remember, whatever you name your site is the name that you're giving it, and you can't use that name again. So choose wisely on that. Your theme, select the theme that you want for your site, and then you're going to hit create. Since I already have a few sites created, I'm not actually going to hit create. You would if you wanted to create it from the ground up. So I'm going to open something that I've actually been working on here. And this is a site that I've been working on, so my Coach's Corner site. What I'm going to show you right now is how to insert the 3 different things. So here's your edit button. Remember, it's always have to hit edit if you want to edit your page. So I'm going to go to insert. We're going to talk about images, we're going to talk about links, and we're going to talk about the YouTube videos today. So let's say I want to insert an image. The very first thing, I'm just going to click on that so you can see it. But the very first thing I want to do, I'm not going to upload an image. I could upload an image from my computer, but what I want to work on today is doing a web address. So I have at the top of my screen, I have Google Images open. So here's the image that I want to insert since I'm doing Christmas right now. So I'm going to right click on it. I have to copy the image URL. I want that image URL. I'm going to go back up into my site and that insert button with the image, web address. Remember, you're inserting a web address, and I'm going to paste it right in there. So you can see it's there. Here's the picture that comes up. If I want to call it something, I can. I'm not going to though. And I'm going to hit OK. See how it came in and it's really, really big? What I'm going to have to do is size it. So I can hit small. You can see how small that went to. I can hit medium and I can hit large. I'm going to change it around. I can also move it to wherever I want it on my page, and I can move it to the left, I can move it center, I can move it to the right. So there's a couple of different things. You can also change the resolution size of it. There's lots of different things you can do with it. Once I have it and I'm ready, I can move it around later if I want to, but I'm going to hit save. Remember, in Google Sites you do have to hit save to save your work. So I'm going to hit save there. I hit OK. I don't know why it's doing that. I think I have it open again, and that's why it's, let me change that. Okay, so that shouldn't give me a problem anymore. So now it's saved in there. I'm going to edit for 1 second, and I see that I have a broken link here. So if I didn't want, say this was the one over here, I didn't want it, I can hit the X, and that will delete whatever was in there as well. So now I'm going to go back up to insert. This time I'm going to insert, not an image, I'm sorry. This time I am going to insert a link. So this is your link if you want to insert it from a site page. What we're going to do is insert it from a web address. So I have a web address pulled up here, the Reading and Writing Project. I'm going to go to the URL. I'm going to copy the URL, and then I'm going to go back into my page, and I'm going to link to this URL. And I can call it anything I want. I'm going to call this Great Reading and Writing Site, and I'm going to open it in a new window so that it doesn't disturb what I have here. So hit OK. See how it came up here? I can copy and paste this, move it around, change the font on it, change the coloring, whatever I want to do on that. But now I have that site in there, and I have to hit save. The third thing I'm going to show you is how to do a YouTube. So again, I have to go back to the editing page. I'm going to hit insert. YouTube. I have to go get the video URL. So I have YouTube opened here. I'll show you what I just did. I have to right click on it, get video URL, and I'm going to copy this video URL right here. Then I'm going to go back in, paste that video URL right there. You could see the video is over here on the right hand side, and I'm going to hit save, and there's my video. Once my video is in there, you can move it all around, just drag it around to wherever you want it. Remember, always hit save. So now here it is. So your video's in there. So those are the 3 different things that we learned how to do. We have inserting the image, we have inserting the link, and we have inserting the video. There's lots more that you can do with sites, but this is just introduction. So please feel free to contact me if you have any other questions with it. My email, cnoble, that's CNOBLE, @nhanover.com. Thank you.